While most of us are dry across northwest Florida this afternoon, we're beginning to see some storms popping out mainly towards the western end of the panhandle. And as we look out from Mossy Head, looking out towards the southwest, you can see those storms moving in, those dark clouds approaching. Temperatures right now sitting in the upper 70s, winds coming in from the south-southeast around 13 miles per hour. So we're getting a bit of a breeze moving through the panhandle, and you'll notice that southerly flow, that southerly component to the air is pulling in a lot of moisture from the Gulf, and we can feel it in those dew points, as dew points are sitting in the upper 60s, giving us a very muggy feel to the air, but it's helping to prime the atmosphere for those storms to develop this afternoon. Now, a look at the rain heading towards Mossy Head. You can see how those showers are approaching I-10 as we look along Highway 285. We're seeing some heavy rain coming down, and that's also the case just to the north and east of Niceville. We're seeing some heavy rainfall as well. Some of those rain rates were coming in at about 7 inches an hour, so heavy rainfall again moving out towards the north and east. So moving through Walton County at the moment, seeing some spotty activity as we look out towards Santa Rosa, Escambia counties. But again, for most of our viewing area, we're just dealing with some cloud cover at the moment. But the main event will be tonight along this frontal boundary. We're seeing a line of storms, a very compact line of storms that'll be sweeping in from the west, moving out towards the east tonight and through those early morning hours. And the main threat with these storms will be damaging winds. So we're actually seeing a marginal risk of severe weather across northwest Florida, and that means we could see an isolated severe thunderstorm for our area. Again, the main threat will be those gusty winds. It's already a breezy day. Some of those gusts within those storms could kick up to around 40-60 miles per hour. So secure those fall Halloween decorations. You don't want to wake up and head outside tomorrow morning and find your scarecrow across the yard or in your neighbor's yard. Hail up to 1 inch in diameter possible, and we do have a low-end tornado risk. So we could see an isolated weak tornado along this line of storms because we're seeing a bit of veering winds. So what we look for when you see the possibility for tornadic activity, you look for a change in the winds from the surface up into the atmosphere, and we're seeing a little bit of that. So that is possible across our area, but the main threat will remain well to the north and west of our area. So looking at the timing of these storms, around 8-9 o'clock tonight, we'll see that line move through Okaloosa County. As we jump ahead to around 11 o'clock midnight, we'll see that line pushing through our central county, so through parts of Bay, Washington, Jackson County, dealing with those storms. And by 2-3 in the morning, they're going to be pushing through our eastern counties, affecting areas like Liberty County, Franklin, Gulf counties. And by the early morning, as we're heading out the door for our Wednesday, we'll see those storms push well to the east of us, and we'll see that clearing taking place, and we'll actually have a really beautiful day when it comes to our Wednesday, as that nice fall feel will return to us. As for rain, this isn't going to be a big rainmaker for us, but we could see some pockets of heavier rainfall. For the most part, we could see about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of accumulation. So again, storms going to be moving in for tonight. Behind those storms, we'll see dry, nice weather for our Wednesday. Temperatures will drop off a couple of degrees, topping out in the upper 70s. We'll keep plenty of sunshine around for the rest of the work week. And then as we head into the weekend, that's when we'll have our next chance for seeing some showers moving through.